Let's do this.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. After a rather unenthusiastic start, let's actually get into this video. So this is the guest bedroom in my home and today I am on a mission to get this clean as my sister is coming home to stay for a while. So I thought why not share the process of cleaning this bedroom with you ready for her arrival and share my favourite bedroom cleaning hacks along the way. I started with refreshing the mattress on the bed. All I used for this was some bicarbonate of soda and 10 drops of essential oil, which I then leave for 30 minutes to work its magic. The next job on my list was the windows. I did do these recently as part of my February cleaning challenge, but there's never any harm in doing them again, right? Plus, who really wants to look out of dirty windows? Anyway, for this, all I use is an equal mix of white vinegar and dish soap in a Scrub Daddy wand and lightly buff it over the windows before going in with what has to be my favourite cleaning tool, the Karcher window vac. Honestly, the streak-free finish this leaves is incredible. Then it was time to dust these shutters. Now, as much as I love the shutters on the windows in my home, I do find they gather dust so quickly and it really shows. But the Flash duster is perfect for this. It's so easy to use and lightweight, and it just grabs any dust that has collected really quickly and easily. So you can see here that I have neglected these windows ever so slightly and we have a bit of a bug graveyard going on here. So I just quickly removed them with my Shark wand vacuum and then wiped the windowsill with some antibacterial spray just for good measure. Now in this bedroom I also have mirrored wardrobes and the finger marks I can't even begin to explain. The girls love playing hide and seek in this room, so I'm back with my trusty white vinegar and dish soap mix with the help of the window vac just to leave these super shiny. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that in January I set myself the task of decluttering my whole house, and what is lurking in these cupboards is all that remains. At some point I will set up a Vinted account and sell these clothes that no longer fit me, but for now I'm going to have to find a new home for them as my sister is definitely going to need some wardrobe space. At the moment I also have my brother's belongings in the other part of the wardrobe. Basically my house is an Airbnb for my siblings, which of course I don't mind at all. Okay, we are now back to the mattress which I left earlier and we are just vacuuming up this bicarbonate of soda and essential oil mix. There is something really satisfying about hoovering this up. I just love the sound it makes and how clean and fresh the mattress looks afterwards. My next job was to remove any dust lurking on the walls. This is a great little hack because I do think we often forget that walls collect dust like everything else. So I'm just using my Flash Speed Mop but with the dry pad, and it did a fab job at removing the dust both from the walls and also from the paneling. Then I just started the process of dusting the side tables and across the top of the bed. And I know a lot of people rave about using damp dusters for these sorts of jobs, but I just cannot get along with them. So I stick to what I know and use furniture polish along with a microfiber cloth. Now it's time to start making the bed, and you can all watch and laugh at the struggle of me trying to put on this bedsheet. In my last video, a lot of you recommended getting a bedsheet that is a size bigger than your mattress, so the next time I go out to buy sheets, I am definitely going to do this because the struggle is real. I did buy my sister some new bedding for her stay because I'm nice like that, but also just because I really love the simplicity of this bedding when I saw it in B&M. It also feels super soft and we are all about the cozy vibes now here. To add those finishing touches to the bed, because who doesn't like walking into a room that looks like a hotel room? I did also spray some linen spray just to make it extra fresh and leave it smelling amazing. One hack you will always see me doing in my own bedroom is using my Gleaner lint brush on my fabric headboard, so I thought I would use this on the little ottoman that lives in this bedroom before getting started on the hoovering. Now, if you follow me over on Instagram, you will know that I cleaned my hoover this week, and honestly, the difference in the suction power and the way this thing works now is incredible, so go and check that reel out if you haven't already. And my very last job is just to finish this all off with some carpet spray so that those carpets smell lovely and clean. And that is this room finished. Doesn't it look so cozy and inviting? Honestly, I felt like I needed a nap after doing all of that cleaning, but I will leave it for my sister to enjoy when she gets here. And here is just a close-up of all of the products that I have used in this video. I will link them in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back very soon with more cleaning videos. Goodbye!